In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up full strict SSL with Cloudflare and Nginx. By the end, your site will be end-to-end encrypted, from the visitor through Cloudflare all the way to your Nginx server. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard and heading to the domain section. Pick the domain you want to secure so we're working in the right place. From the left sidebar, open the SSL TLS area. This is where we control how Cloudflare handles encryption for your traffic. Next, go to the Origin Server tab. Here we're going to create an origin certificate, which is a certificate specifically meant for traffic between Cloudflare and your server. Click Create Certificate. When prompted, choose the option to have Cloudflare generate the private key and CSR for you. This is the simplest route and ensures the certificate will be trusted by Cloudflare for full strict mode. You'll be asked to pick a private key type. ECDSA is modern and efficient, but RSA is widely compatible. If you're unsure, RSA is a safe choice. If your environment supports it, ECDSA can offer better performance. Then, choose how long the certificate should be valid. Longer durations reduce maintenance, but make sure you have a plan to rotate it before it expires. When you're ready, click Create. Cloudflare will now display your new origin certificate and the private key. Copy both and store them securely. Do not share the private key and consider saving them to your server using proper file permissions. You'll later reference these in your Nginx configuration as the certificate file and the private key file. If you prefer, you can also download them as files directly from this page. Once you've saved your certificate and key, return to the SSL TLS overview page. Here's the critical piece. Set the SSL TLS encryption mode to full strict. Full strict verifies that your origin presents a valid certificate that matches the host name and is signed by a trusted certificate authority such as Cloudflare's Origin CA. This is what provides true end-to-end security. If your site was previously on flexible or full, switching to full strict might immediately fix mixed mode security issues, but only if the origin certificate is correctly installed on your server. As a final tip, after you've added the certificate and key paths to your Nginx server block and reloaded Nginx, test your site over HTTPS and confirm the padlock shows. Keep those origin certificate and key files backed up, limit their file permissions, and set a reminder to renew before expiry. That's it, your domain is now protected with full strict SSL through Cloudflare and Nginx.